Boss threatening to fire you? Know these rights before you speak. 2026. Imagine walking into work one normal morning. Your boss calls you in and says, "You're not performing. Pack your things. You're fired." Your heart races. How will I pay rent? How will I feed my children? In that moment of panic, most people say the wrong thing and destroy their chance of getting the money or protection they deserve. Today on Law and Life Advocate, I'm going to give you the 7 legal rights your boss hopes you never learn. I'll explain the law in plain English, share real emotional stories of people who fought back and won, and give you practical steps you can take starting today. These rights have saved real people's jobs and families. Watch until the end, especially right number 7. The last section could change everything for you. Right number 1. You cannot be fired for no reason. Most workers are at will. That means your boss can usually fire you for any legal reason or no reason. But they cannot fire you for an illegal reason. Illegal reasons include discrimination, retaliation, or firing you just to avoid paying benefits you already earned. David worked 12 years at the same company. He was only months away from locking in his full pension. One Friday they fired him with no warning, claiming restructuring. Younger workers kept their jobs. David documented everything and spoke to a lawyer. The real reason was clear. The company wanted to avoid his higher pension costs. That is wrongful termination. He fought and won a settlement that restored what he lost and more. Loyalty is not something a company can throw away when it becomes inconvenient. Right number 2. Protection against discrimination. It is illegal to fire or treat you worse because of race or color, national origin, sex, gender, or sexual orientation, religion, age, 40 plus, disability, pregnancy. Sarah was a strong performer. After she told her boss she was pregnant, they suddenly gave her impossible targets. When she couldn't meet them, they fired her for performance. She kept every email and old positive review. She hired a lawyer and won a large settlement that helped her and her baby start over. Pregnancy is not a performance problem. It is a protected right. Right number 3. Retaliation is illegal. Your boss cannot punish you for reporting harassment, unsafe conditions, unpaid overtime, or discrimination. John reported sexual harassment. 2 weeks later he was fired for performance problems that had never been mentioned before. He had his old good reviews and the exact date of his complaint. He won compensation. If you speak up and then face sudden negative treatment, the timing itself is powerful evidence. Right number 4. Right to final paycheck. You must be paid every wage you already earned. The deadline depends on your state. Some require immediate payment, others by the next payday. Severance is usually not required unless the company has a policy or a large layoff triggers the WARN Act. Always check your state's rule. Late final pay can mean extra penalties for the company. Right number 5. Document everything like a pro. This is your strongest weapon. Keep a private log on your personal phone or computer. For every important event write date and time, who was there, exactly what was said, any witnesses. Save emails, texts, performance reviews, and pay stubs. Put complaints to HR in writing and keep a copy. Good documentation turns he said/she said into clear evidence. Right number 6. Unemployment benefits. File for unemployment right away. Many bosses try to block it by claiming misconduct. Simple poor performance is usually not misconduct. Misconduct means willful or repeated serious violations after warnings. If denied, appeal within 10 to 30 days. Bring your good reviews and emails. Keep certifying for benefits while you appeal so you don't lose back pay. Thousands win on appeal every year. Don't give up after the first denial. Right number 7. When and how to talk to HR or a lawyer. HR works for the company. For serious issues, discrimination, harassment, retaliation, or after you are already fired, speak to an employment lawyer first. Many offer free consultations. Bring your timeline and documents. What to say? Stick to facts. On this date, I reported X. 2 weeks later, I was terminated. What not to say? Emotional accusations or threats. Never sign a severance agreement that waives your rights until a lawyer reviews it. People who act quickly often recover lost wages and more. Those who wait or sign everything away usually get nothing. In conclusion, if your boss is threatening you right now, take a deep breath. You are not powerless. The law gives you real tools. David, Sarah, and John all felt discarded at first. They documented. They asked for help. They fought back. And they won. Your story does not have to end with a cardboard box and silence. Save this video. Share it with someone who needs it. Start documenting today and consider speaking with an employment lawyer. You have rights. Use them. Drop your story in the comments. Like and share this video if it gave you courage. Subscribe to Law and Life Advocate and turn on the bell. Stay strong. Stay informed. God bless you. See you in the next video.